Contract administration is way easier than most people think. And because all of the input and context to do the task is in contracts, meeting minutes, payment claims, it is a good use case for AI. If we look at an entire contract administration workflow, realistically, it's probably 20 to 25 different tasks. There's really two broad categories of these tasks. We've got our routine administration tasks. So these are things like monthly payment claims, progress reporting, tracking and documenting correspondence, document control, subcontractor administration. These are our regular routine tasks that, assuming everything's going to plan, we do on a regular cadence. We then got our management by exception tasks. So these are identifying variations and submitting change orders, making extension of time claims. So these are the things we do when stuff changes. Now, there's lots of ways we can integrate AI into these different workflows, but really the principle underlying this is we're going to use AI more or less as a data transformation tool. So for example, populating our payment claim to the client. We're looking at our work completed to date. We're taking that data and we're using it to populate our payment claim template with our percentage complete. Progress claim reporting, we're taking our program, our site diaries, our background information, and we're transferring this into a progress claim report. Or something like correspondence management, where we set up a project email address, and then once per day, we run an automation in something like Claude, where we go to our email inbox, we look for any new correspondence, we document this in a register, and then maybe once per week, send a summary of any important issues that we need to action. So really, what you want to think about with each of these tasks is map out the contracts administration process, what you actually do on a project, from the routine admin task, the management by exception. Then look, what is the stuff that a human should be doing, the critical, important stuff, and then look at the simple admin data transformation task where you're doing stuff like taking information in one format and putting it to another format. And that is where the role for AI is.